Welcome to the channel. Question number 6 of Strand 2. Calculate the value of k given that x plus 2 is a factor of the function f of x equals x to the power of 3 plus 8x squared plus 7x plus k. So here the rule is, if x minus a is a factor of f of x, then f of a equals to 0. That rule won't be given in the exam. You have to look at your teacher's notes in your notebook for that rule. So you don't have to carry out long division. So here, if x plus 2 is a factor, if x plus 2 is a factor of the function, then f of negative 2 should be equal to 0. Here minus a became positive a, so positive a will become minus a. The positive number becomes negative, the negative number becomes positive. So f of negative 2 should be equal to 0. So in the function x to the power of 3, x to the power of 3 plus 8 multiplied by x squared plus 7 multiplied by x plus k would be equal to 0. When you substitute the x with negative 2, f of negative 2 should be equal to 0. So the function which has the x values equal to negative 2. So negative 2 to the power of 3 will be equal to negative 8. You have the calculators, you can verify that. And then plus 8 multiplied by negative 2 squared is going to give us 4. So 8 times 4 over here, and then plus 7 multiplied by negative 2 will be equal to negative 14 plus k would be equal to 0. So you follow step by step. Very important to go one beneath another. The equal sign should be in a straight line. Working out has to be neat, then you won't go wrong. So the next line, negative 8 plus 8 times 4 is equal to 32. A plus and a minus becomes minus, so that's minus 14 plus k is equal to 0. Now, you put these numbers into the calculator, negative 8 plus 32 minus 14. What do we get? So these three numbers, negative 8 plus 32 minus 14, it gives us 10. So 10 plus k is equal to 0. How do you solve for k then? Isolate the k on the left hand side and move the 10 to the other side. The 10 over here is positive. So on the other side it will become negative. Or over here it is adding, the other side it will subtract. So k is equal to 0 minus 10. Therefore, the value of k is equal to negative 10. That's the final answer. K equals negative 10. Remember to show step-by-step working so that even if your final answer is wrong, you could be awarded some marks for correct working out. Thanks for watching.